Welcome back to R&DW Adventures. We've got something today that I'm very excited about. I'm Darryl.
And I'm Renee.
And today we've got Series 2 of the Disney Rewinds. We got so excited about the original one. They're these cool little popcorn buckets with the fake popcorn that's also the stand. And they're just really, really fun. We absolutely loved these the first time around. We were hoping for a second round. And we were at the Disney store today, which is the 16th of May, 2021. They had them.
Yes.
Which we didn't even know they came out.
Right.
So we are super excited. So this time around, we have 7 that we're looking for.
Right.
And we bought all of these that they had. Every single box.
She even said, I think I might have some in the back. Do you want me to look?
And we said, of course. So we've got a baker's dozen to go through today. But there's the 6 characters. We've got Hercules, Dumbo, Wall-E, Bianca from Rescuers, and Tinkerbell. The Hercules is one of the chasers that's
there's
gray
3 actually that are Hercules. The Hercules.
No, there's the Hercules character.
Oh, right.
Right. So Hercules can come in gray or color. And then the other chaser, as we found online, is, I keep trying to call her Merida, but I can't remember her name now. Do you remember
I just forgot
her
her name because you wanted me to say it.
Yes, of course. But in any case, we're very excited.
Also from Hercules, though.
Right. So we're very excited. The ones that I'm most interested in getting are Dumbo and Wall-E because they're my 2 favorites.
Right, but I really like Tinkerbell's adorable, and so is I can't remember anybody's name today.
Oh, Bianca.
Bianca
From Rescuers.
Rescuers, yes. Very cute.
So let's dig in. We've got an uneven number, so I'm going to let you go first.
Okay. Popcorn
So I've got
everywhere.
my 6.
Okay. So I really do like these because this popcorn turns into the stand for whatever we pick. Cute bags too.
And as a reminder, there's a little postcard in here.
Which I didn't look at.
Which gives us the spoiler of which movie it's from.
Right.
So. Oh, very nice. One of the ones we wanted right off the bat. Ugh. Okay.
We start with Dumbo. He's cute.
He is adorable. All right. So one of the 2 that we want them all.
Well, yes.
But one of the 2 that we really wanted right off the bat. So let's move him off to the side.
Because he's going to be noisy.
And we try not to look as we put the cards in.
We apologize for the squirrel that may be in our backyard.
And I've got the color Hercules.
And I've got your other favorite.
Oh,
Wall-E.
He's so cute.
They smell funny.
Yeah, they do.
I think it's the bag that smells like
adorable. Especially putting him in front like this of the poster.
Oh, yeah.
That's just the right size.
It's perfect.
That is wonderful. Hey, so we started off with 3 unique right off the bat. So that's,
and the ones you really wanted the most.
Yeah. Yeah, the 2 that I really wanted, we've got. So we're doing pretty well so far.
Yes.
But we've got
Wall-E's
too many
adorable.
in one video. Oh!
But just, ooh,
Wall-E right away.
Sorry. Just telling you, the bag is Mylar and it smells like Mylar.
All right. These seem to be in better shape this time
I think so.
than the others.
Did you look at when these actually came out? I didn't even know there was a set 2.
Yeah.
I couldn't find much on it at all.
Okay, so duplicate, I got another Hercules.
Oh, okay. Oh, yay.
Worst things have happened.
Look.
Oh, Bianca.
She's so
Congratulations.
cute.
She
Look how
is
cute
adorable.
She is.
We don't have enough room on the table for all of these. Okay.
We weren't really thinking about that.
Well, we were just so excited to get all of these that we could. We want the whole set.
Right.
That's the problem.
Right. So you're getting the spoiler. I'm not looking at that camera because I don't want to see it.
Yeah, I'm trying not to look.
Does that mean you look
I've peeked a couple times accidentally.
Oh, that Hercules again.
Got another duplicate of
We got a
Dumbo.
triplicate of Hercules.
Yeah, so we have 3 Hercules, unfortunately.
We can
So
put
far
doubles
we
over
only
here.
have... I've got 2 doubles over there.
So far we've got 4. Here, I'll
Okay.
just take this one.
Ugh. This one didn't want to come off. You can put yours right here. We've gotten fortunate in that most of the cartons that at least I've opened,
Yeah.
the poster's facing away from me.
Yeah, mine too. Uh-oh. We got another beast.
Yeah, another one here, but at least this is one that I really want.
Okay.
Wally!
Wally, whoops.
Alright.
Okay, well, we can still hope it's still possible.
We need 3 and we have 4 left, so we're getting tight.
Right. It's not
And if we can
likely.
find any more, we will be buying more.
And if you want to trade, we have almost everything right now. We only have 1 Bianca, but we have dupes of everything else, if not triplicates. Like
Of the ones that we have. And I got another Wally.
I got Tinkerbell!
Oh, she is
I love
adorable
this.
too.
She is on a thimble. Look how cute she is. How cute is that?
She is adorable. I still like Wally, but she is adorable.
And I'm not a huge Tinkerbell fan, but she's
No,
cute.
I don't like Tinkerbell. I don't like the
So we still
Tinkerbell
need
stories.
the chasers.
We just, yes.
That's all we need, both chasers. Well, we've got 2.
Yeah,
I
so
don't think it's likely.
we have a chance, but it isn't likely to happen.
All right. So, again, if you're looking for any of these, except for Bianca so far.
I have a second Tinkerbell.
Oh, and a 3rd Tinkerbell.
Oh.
Oh, well, at least she's
So,
cute.
none of the chasers, but we've got
We've got
duplicates of everything but Bianca, so if you guys want to trade for any of the duplicates,
Let us know.
let us know. But we did get 5 uniques out of the sets, so let's start with
Bianca.
Bianca is very, very, very cute. I like her.
She is.
Again, this is one, I kind of liked the stories when I was a kid,
Yeah.
but
Not as much as an adult, but they were cute.
Not favorite.
The characters are still cute.
It was that lower quality animation that they
Right.
were doing at the time, but she came out really
She
amazing.
really did. She's adorable.
And then, one of my favorites, who keeps wanting to run away. So we might have to actually swap this one out if we're going to keep him. But Wally!
He's so cute.
He is adorable. I love the shoe with the plant. But where's Eve?
I don't know.
We need an Eve now.
Evie.
So, Series 3 guys, get us Eve.
Yes.
Tinkerbell is unexpected, though.
I didn't. She's just cute.
I did not expect to like Tinkerbell so much. You know, she's, again, not one of my favorites.
Right. No,
So-
she's not one of my favorites usually either, but she's really cute and she's standing on a thimble.
It's the thimble that really makes it. And then they have those translucent wings.
Right.
That really helps as well.
It does.
And then Hercules is definitely my least favorite.
Nothing's wrong with Hercules, just it wasn't
No,
one of my
just-
favorites either.
I really didn't like the Hercules movies.
Meh.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just meh. But he is a nice character, really.
It's a nice...
Again, it's well done.
This is a very well done
Set, yeah.
set. And he's
then-
just cute.
Dumbo is always just adorable. How can you not love Dumbo?
Exactly.
And he's standing on his little I'm not even
Pedestal?
sure. Yeah, it's a pedestal. I'm not even sure what
Step.
that's actually called.
It's his yoga
It's
step.
like the bathtub. Yeah. But it's like the bathtub
It's
is what I
upside down,
recall
though.
from. Yeah, no. But I remember
Oh.
it being the bathtub turned over or
That's
something
true,
like that.
you're right.
So, yeah, it's just adorable.
Mm-hmm.
So, I'm very happy with it.
I am very happy
once
with
again.
the set.
I am looking forward to completing it with both chasers, just so that we have the complete set.
Right.
And even more so, I'm looking forward to a Series 3.
Yes. I hope this was as big of a hit. I'm not sure because I didn't hear anything about it at all.
Yeah,
so.
and you can't get them on Shop Disney.
Nope.
So, aside from going into the store and getting lucky like we did, I don't know how to get them. So, I don't know
Any
what
thoughts?
to tell you guys.
Please leave those in the comments too.
Yeah, definitely. And if you've gotten these, let us know, how your luck was on, the whatever you got.
Right. And your favorites.
But yeah, we did less than 50% unique,
Yes.
which is not great, but,
We got.
it is
most
what
of
it
them.
is. It's better
Right.
than we've done with a lot of the pins.
This is true.
But please, click on the subscribe button over here, actually the channel icon, and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up as well. Then on this side, we're going to put a playlist to a lot more of our Disney opening videos. So if you like this, we've got a bunch more videos just like this over there.